Holiday season is here, and how do you make it feel special? You personalize by cooking food yourself to make people special as well. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng honey garlic roast chicken. Let's start cooking! So this is a perfect recipe pag nagpapakain ka ng marami. It's easy to do but very satisfying and it pleases everyone kasi sino bang ayaw ng roast chicken. Pero this one is special dahil hindi mo binili, ginawa mo siya yourself and this is very simple. So first and foremost, we will prepare our chicken marinade and you have to do it ahead of time. Ito, soy sauce. So, ito talaga siya. Ang dami kong ginagawang chicken recipes. Pag roast chicken talaga, it's a combination of soy sauce and some form of acid. So, today, I'm using lemon juice, pwedeng calamansi, pwedeng pineapple juice. Now, kasi honey garlic roast chicken, lalagyan natin ng maraming garlic, minced garlic. And let's also add a little bit of dried herb. So, it's really up to you, no, kung anong gusto mong gawin or gamitin. So, ito, I have a bit of thyme. You can add dried basil, dried parsley, of course, black pepper. Tingnan mo, I will apply the honey twice, no? So, first, I will add a little bit of honey, around just a tablespoon for my marinade. But the rest, I will use to brush my chicken when it's done. Para sobrang yung sarap, no? Maganda yung glaze, no? And if you add too much sugar, any form of sugar, no? Sometimes brown sugar, honey, maple syrup, you can add it to your chicken. Pero, if you add too much sugar, kasi anong nangyayari, madali siya mag-burn. So, if you're not careful, ang mangyayari dyan, masusunog na yung inyong chicken, pero ang inyong loob, hilaw pa. So, skin is very dark, charred already, pero yung loob niya, hilaw pa. So, that's what we're doing. You can also add a little bit of paprika for a bit of, orangey color tint. Yeah, so very simple. Our marinade is done. You can even use this for pork chops as well. And now we will add our chicken. We will add it to our chicken. So halo-halo natin, let that soak muna for a few minutes. But before I get my hands dirty, ihanda ko na rin yung aking roasting pan. So ito siya. And to make the bed, I will just prepare my vegetables para meron na akong side dish. Yan, so carrots. Sobrang simple. Yan. Ako, I really love carrots, no? Roasted carrots kasi lumalabas yung sweetness niya. And I will also have some potatoes. You can have squash, zucchini, bell peppers. Lalagyan ko din siya ng isang onion for more flavor. Yan. Onions. Wedge pa rin, no? Nothing too formal, nothing too rigid. So, ito siya. Of course, we will season with a bit of salt. Always season. Salt, pepper. Toss lang natin siya. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty. Yan. Don't stress. Ganun siya. So, itong chicken natin is here. Look at that. Mix natin, no? So, ideally, you can marinate your chicken ahead of time. Best overnight. And now, what I will do, aside from soaking it in my liquid, I will add I will add some garlic here. Diba? So, I have around 12 cloves of garlic. So, I will add around 6 here sa aking roasting pan. And the other 6, I will stuff into my chicken, no? The chicken cavity. I will also add a little salt. Bakit may salt pa? Para may lasa din yung loob ng aking chicken, no? Yan. Then, meron tayong lemon sa ating lemon juice here. I will add it inside the cavity of my chicken. It will add more flavor and a very beautiful aroma. Yan. And ito siya. Ito yung gagawin natin, ating chicken. Meron akong aluminum foil here. Diba? Ganyan na. Fold lang natin, no? Make a strip, parang ganyan. Pwede nating i-twist. So, we will thrust our chicken, tatali natin yung chicken to keep it in place para hindi magbukaka yung ating chicken. No? So, we will tie our chicken legs to each other para maganda yung posing ng ating manok sa ating roasting pan. So, when we serve it, Sobrang ganda ng ating presentation. Yan. It's good enough. And let's put our chicken. Tuck the wings, the tip. And very important at this point, before you continue working on your chicken, very important na your oven is already preheated. So I preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So look at our chicken, diba? Sobrang ganda na ating chicken. I will add a bit of chicken stock here around. So what this will do to my chicken is that ito siya, the water will cook, diba? The vegetables, and it will stop the bottom from burning kasi may sabaw siya added to the drippings of the chicken. And yun din yung pwede nating gawing chicken stew, which we will pour over our chicken when we serve. So parang medyo tayong sauce or which we can transform into gravy later on. So, nag-clean up tayo ng konti, and now is our time to roast our chicken. So, we will roast it at 180 degrees for around 45 minutes, and we will increase the heat later on para ma-achieve yung magandang kulay. So, while our chicken is roasting in the oven, so ito siya, ang aking excess marinade. Yung gagawin mo, ito explain ko lang para malinaw sa inyo. Dapat, yung gawin mo, if you are not going to cook your chicken right away, for example, lulutuin mo yung chicken kinabukasan, yung gagawin mo, yung marinade na minix natin kanina, hahatiin mo na siya. You will add half of it to our honey. Yan. Ito siya kasi yung ginawa ko kasi, dire-diretso yung luto ko, kaya hindi ko na siya hinati. Because what we will do, we are making a very nice honey glaze which we will brush on the chicken skin as the chicken is about to cook. No? You can add, if you want it to be more spicier, you can add black pepper. Very nice. Mix, mix, mix. So ito siya, sa loob, savory, konting tanginess dahil sa ating lemon. Then, ang ating glaze, sweet and salty, and a lot of garlic flavor. Ay, ang sarap nito. With rice or even just the potato, then may side ka ng salad. Di ba ang perfect na ng Pasko mo? So ito, look at our chicken, no? Hindi pa siya umabot sa time na luto siya, pero it's already browning in certain areas. And we don't want that to happen kasi baka mag-serve tayo ng chicken na hilaw. So what we do is we add some foil or wax paper para makulob siya ng konti at it will not continue to brown. So let's look at our chicken. Tingnan mo nilagyan ko siya ng foil para, look at that. Oh, hindi siya na-overcook. Pretty pa rin siya. But it's not yet done. Meron pa akong a few minutes more. And what I will do, I'll put it out. Yan. Honey and marinade mixed together. And I will brush my chicken. Ito yung aking honey and yung marinade natin kanina with all the herbs. Brush, brush, brush. So ito medyo magiging very sticky yung skin niya. Yung malagkit-lagkit pag kinain mo. Sobrang sarap. We can brush it a second time later. Babalik na natin siya. Yan. Beautiful. Yan. And luto na yung ating chicken and you will see how lovely it has turned out. Beautiful. Look at that, no? Ang kintab. And yung ginawa ko dito, I basted my chicken twice. So the first time, yung kanina nakita nyo, yung pangalawa in between, pero I had to roast it again para lalong maging makintab. Remember, because our marinade touch raw chicken, you really have to cook it before serving. And to finish, lagyan na natin ng fresh parsley. So beautiful! Look at that, no? Perfectly juicy. Ito na ating holiday recipe at pwede din the whole year round para medyo manamis-namis ang ating buhay. Honey garlic roast chicken. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!